I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Fusion's hood. First, you'll need to locate the hood release lever inside your car. This is usually found on the driver's side, often under the dashboard near the footwell. Give this lever a firm pull until you hear a clear click. This sound confirms that the primary hood latch has been released, allowing you to proceed to the front of your vehicle. Now, walk to the front of your Ford Fusion. You'll notice the hood is slightly ajar, creating a small opening. Carefully slide your hand into this gap between the hood and the car's body. You are looking for the secondary safety latch, which is typically located near the center of the hood's opening, though some models might have it slightly to the right or left. Once you've found the secondary latch, you'll need to slide it to the side, usually towards the left, while gently lifting the hood upwards. This action will fully disengage the safety catch. With the hood now completely open, locate the prop rod, which is typically found clipped to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot to securely hold the hood open. To ensure smooth operation, it's a good practice to lubricate your hood latch mechanism about once every 12 months, especially in humid climates, to prevent it from sticking. After closing the hood, always give it a gentle push down to confirm it's securely latched before you start driving. For any specific details or troubleshooting, always refer to your Ford Fusion's owner's manual, as some models may have slight variations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.